Hello, my friends. Wait, Parks, don't die. I'll try not to, mate. Heroes never die and all that. Peek me, bitch. Hello. Ah, where are you? No. Ah. Oh my god. I'm dead. Ah, didn't see me. Ow. Hello. Goodbye. They were bullets near my head. What the f? Fellas, we need to be winning these. Wait, frag kill? Did I just hit a headshot with my frag? Hello, motherfuckers.
Oh, I'm just.
Right, but it's leave.
Ah! You don't see me.
Don't be suspicious.
Thank you.
Don't
I love
be
you.
suspicious.
I'm dead again. I am very dead again. You stole
Save your ass.
Ah, he's not a racist. Oh, I'm really good. Yep.
I've just been tomahawked to the face.
I wish I could get a tomahawk to the face.
Am I the only one that survives?
It's me! It's me! What? Oh, where is it? There. Goodbye. I got him. He's dead.
Actually, this game.
God, I love you. Oh my god!
It
What
is.
a lucky fucking bastard.
Right, I've destroyed one of their sentries. Oh boy. So dead.
In the bus shelter. The bus shelter saved me.
Oh, vroom vroom.
Hello, sirs. Why is there so many of you? My sentry gun got killed. Can everyone just go appreciate my sentry gun? Go away. You smell. You're not better than him. Trust that. I'm trash.
There's one in the tower. There's a shotgun dude on the point.
Peek me.
Just jumped
Ow!
into the
Why are
napalm.
you behind me?
Oh, I died quick. I think I'm on cooldown, fellas. Jack, can you just like lose your fingers? Or cheating?
Why are you there? Wait, how have I? What? Fuck off!
Hey, this game.
Please leave me alone.
Actually, not.
Well, how are you? I didn't. What? Oh. Oh.
This dude is gross.
Oh! Please leave me
Yeah.
alone. I just want to play the game. Hello. Why are you? What? How have I? Leave me alone. I can't do anything. How have you not got stuck? Oh! Why? How do you know I'm there? What do you mean?
He's hit rage mode.
Fuck you! Don't stand behind a pillar. Where? I was just there, bro. Fuck off with your RCXD. How? What the? What is that range on the RCXD? What?
How?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
That dude came back for me because I just murdered him.
That game
14
gave me the
kills.
hiccups.
I got knifed because he's a cunt.
I don't know. James Bond probably doesn't like me. I don't know.
I don't understand. If I use a
Why are
AK,
you
I
there?
lose.
Oh, I'm just. Oh, Jack, you're a fucking lifesaver. Look at him. He's a god.
He's hidden in the corner, in a dark corner. You can't actually see him.
I got him.
If I lay down the explosion.
No, I
can't
just
get
got
me.
violated. Oh, my chest is starting to hurt. Hey, I may have killed myself, but I got a kill in the meantime, so that's all that matters, right? Ow. Alright, let's go. We got this. This is really
Got
good.
like nut in my mouth. Good grenade. Fair enough.
Alright, sniper time, my friends. Oh! Fuck you. Where? On the plane.
Where? Where are you shooting me from?
Leave me
I'm just
alone!
calling.
I'm 6. It was on the other side of the rock!
Goodbye, motherfucker.